Hi everyone, it's me, Lindsay, with EquipMeOT, here today to talk about two toilet seat adaptations by Bemis. What I really like about these is that they're both going to be bariatric friendly options. Both of them accommodate 500 plus pounds and come with a variety of features between the two products. I'm going to go over all of the things that they offer so that you can look at them and pick which one might be best for your situation. I'm going to do a quick install on both of them, but we won't go into great detail because Bemis provides excellent instructional manuals for how to install these, and the instructions and the ease of installation is one of my favorite features. I will make note of one thing that I won't be doing in this video, but it's super important to understand. They have these really great nut systems that have this removable top nut that as you tighten it down, it's going to break off. I'm not going to do that in this install because both these toilet seats are going to be used in a different home later. So just to note, when you see mine installed, it might look a little different than when yours is fully installed. So I just want to make that note clear. All right, so let's go ahead and dig in and show you all I can tell you about these two great toilet seat adaptation options. All right, so the first one I want to show you is the Bemis Assist. So this one is going to give you no additional height on the toilet. This is good for individuals who want familiarity with height, don't necessarily need added height. For example, bathrooms that have toilets installed that are already at comfort height or ADA height compliance. My toilet is quite low, but if I was a shorter individual but just needed a little bit more support, this is a great sturdy option. The specs on this are both handles can accommodate 250 pounds of force each, which is a lot more than most industry standard products. The seat itself can hold up to 500 pounds. So this is a really good option for those in certain bariatric categories or those who just want to make sure they have the sturdiest possible solution. It's going to work for both round and elongated bowls with the installation that it comes with, which is great. So you don't have to order separate ones. It has a fully functioning, fully formed lid that closes, as well as, and I'm going to show you one of the things you need to be really aware of when you install, the actual seat itself lifts for easy cleaning and maintenance. But as you note here, in my bathroom, I have a toilet paper roll holder that interferes with that functionality. So just make sure that when you're looking at this product or products like this for your home, that you do some thorough measuring. There's 21 inches between the two handles, which is going to work in most bathrooms. And if I wanted this toilet seat, I would simply move my toilet paper holder. It's not a huge deal. You can also leave one of these off. They come with both uninstalled, so you install these handles later. So another solution potentially would be that I would not install the handle on this side because I have the support of the counter. You have that option. What I really love is the toilet seat itself is a molded plastic, but it's a smooth, shiny plastic, much easier to clean and maintain, and it just looks a lot nicer. As well as with this added width, you don't have that harsh drop off the side of the toilet seat. So if you have somebody with a wider body, they are going to have support all the way out beyond the edge of the toilet. This is much more comfortable for individuals, for example, who maybe have hip pain, sciatica, anything like that. This type of seat is going to be really supportive. You also have these handles that are obviously going to give you a great point for grabbing and doing your transfer both on and off, but at no point do they go to the floor, so there's no trip hazard like in a lot of traditional bar setups. And you don't have to mount anything to a wall. So again, a great option, good for situations where maybe you want it for a temporary solution or long-term solution, but you don't want to have to make major modifications to the bathroom. This Bemis Assist seat is really fantastic. As you saw in that quick installation, it goes in really, really easily, and it has these stay tight bolts. It's not going anywhere once it's in place. So again, really awesome option for up to 500 pounds of weight capacity with this type of width, but no added height. I'm going to show you a second option that has a few additional features that you may be looking for. All right, so here we have the Bemis Assurance. Now this toilet seat is going to give 3 inches of added height. Great for situations where you need a little bit more height to elevate somebody to help them get on and off the toilet. It still comes with handles that are going to still be at that 21 inches apart. The handles do not go to the floor, so again, there's no floor hazards. And what's really nice about this, again, is it's got this beautiful molded, fully closing seat lid. And this one with its added height has what they call their reverse funnel design, so that you may see some gapping here. I don't want you to panic about that. That's something that some folks see and think, oh no, it's going to leak. I have not found that to be the case with this design. This model does a very good job of directing all the necessary things down into the toilet without much risk for leakage, just because of the design that they have here. This model can accommodate up to 1,000 pounds on the seat, which is a lot and not something that most individuals would require, but it's good to know it has it. Each handle can accommodate 350 pounds of force individually through the handle. So we're talking exceptional weight grading for this particular product. Totally molded shiny plastic, so it's easy to clean and maintain. And just like the other one, and you'll see it's going to interfere, but not quite as bad with my toilet paper here, is you can lift it up for easy cleaning. Now, it has the same installation technique I showed, but you may have noticed I installed something else with it. The Assurance has an option of an added bidet function. So often I get asked, is there a great option for a raised toilet seat with a bidet? My answer has always been kinda, until this. This is a fantastically easy, simple solution bidet. It's only going to give you cold water, but for many that's fine. And it simply ties into your water supply on the back of your toilet. I'm not going to do the full bidet install in this video, but I just wanted to show you that it comes with the option. The bidet itself is extremely easy to function with, and I'll see if I lift this up a little bit so you can see the handle a little better on camera. You can access it between the handle here, and it's going to give you the ability with just a simple twist, which is great for anyone who has reduced dexterity or strength. Really simple design, really easy to maintain, and just generally speaking, a great feature if you're not only dealing with individuals who are struggling with getting up and down from the commode, but also need something to help them with cleaning up and staying hygienically clean after they use the bathroom. So this whole system comes all together if you want it, or you can just get the actual riser, the Assurance itself. I did want to point out that these handrails are removable. They have little remover, I'll show again here. These come off, and underneath is a little push tab that allows you to move that right in there. You stick a little screwdriver in, these can pop off, and again, because they paid such great attention to detail, you can put little plugs into the holes here so that it looks clean and finished, even if you don't have, the armrest on. So I love that they paid attention to those details so that you still have a really visually attractive piece, in addition to it being so functionally solid. So I did want to point that out. Bottom line is Bemis makes a great product if you're looking for something that's going to give you long-term functionality on your toilet without having to make any massive permanent changes to your bathroom. So I implore you to go check them out. I'll have information down below in the description if you want to check them. And as always, if you have questions or comments about these videos or any other types of information like this, leave them down below as well. And as always, if you need more information like this on how to stay safe and independent in your home and community, consider subscribing to EquipMeOT. Thank you.